Okay, so we've been talking about menopause and exercise. Today is an upper body weights workout, just 10 minutes, because obviously building strength, weight bearing exercise is all good to help with bone density through menopause. So let's get started. We want sort of lightish weights. Again, I've only got 2k, probably for maybe 3k. 2 or 3k is all I'm lifting. You can lift lighter. You can find any items in your house to do it with. It's no problem. But we're going to start off standing and working through the back. So I'm grabbing hold of my 3ks for this one. Standing nice and tall. All right, so I'm going to do a little bit of back work, but I'm starting with a deadlift because you get into the lower back with a deadlift. But I also put this in the lower body one as well because it gets into the hamstrings and glutes as well. So it's a good little one. Standing nice and tall when you come up. That's what we want. Good. All right, so we're squeezing the shoulders back. You can see I've got a nice flat back as I'm coming down and my knees are staying bent. Draw the belly in. All right, we're going a little bit slower. 3 and 1. 3, 2, 1, and rise up. Draw the belly in. I want to see length through the spine as you stand. Yeah. One more time. Let's go for a single row. So we're going to come down to the knees, row it, drop it, rise, down, in, down and up. And you can probably feel in between the shoulder blades, it starts to activate. That's what we want. This is good. Get the upper body waking up and going and moving, starting. One more time. Are you ready for a triple? Stay down there for 3. 3, 2, 1. Rise and again. Rise. Go, 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 go. Last one. Okay, so we're coming upright row. So elbows lead, up to the chest and back down. Nice and smooth. Elbows above the wrists, that's the key. Draw the belly in, standing tall. Wonderful, 2 more. Da, 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 da. All right, we're going to flip at the top. So holding it up, flip, to the ceiling. Up, up, down, down. Draw your belly in, lift your chest, and smile. It's not all that bad. Good. All right, so I'm just covering all little upper body bits. So when we come into each section, coming down, biceps, up, up, yeah. Da, 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 da. Both together, 2 up, 2 down. Singles, give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lovely little starting. So I'm going to pop those down. Now I'm going to come down onto the floor, work a little bit of my chest. So I'm going to bring my 3Ks with me, but also my 2Ks because I plan to go into some tricep work whilst I'm on the floor. So come down and join me and I shall set you up. So chest dumbbell press. What I'm looking for is elbows out to the side and weights over the elbows, nice and wide. Heads of the dumbbells are pointing in towards each other and I'm in line with my chest, yeah? from that point, I want you to push up to the top. Draw your belly in. So what I mean by that is tighten your abdominal muscles from the top, but you can still breathe and talk. That's what we want. You're just engaging. Yeah? Good. All right, let's go for it. So we're going to come down for 2, up for 2 with our dumbbells, coming out to where we started. You ready? Take it down for 2. 1, 2, up for 2. Now, if you've not really lifted weights much before, it does feel a bit like all over the place, but don't worry. That comes with practice. Concentrate on the move. Take your time, and you'll get there. And you'll be awesome. Promise. So just slow it down. Take your time. 2 down, 2 up. Engage through the abdominals so we know that you're switching on down there as well. Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to go a little slower. 3 and 1. 3, 2, 1, push. 3, 2, 1, push. Oh, one more time, one more time. You ready for the singles? Let's go. Push, push to the ceiling. Let's go. Fight those dumbbells to the top. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold at the top. We're going to do just the bottom half only for 4 counts. You ready? Yes, Lizzie. Let's do it together. As you come down, halfway up only. 3, 2, to the top. Back down. Go, go. 4, 3, 2, to the top. Yes, yes. Only one more after this. One more after this. To the top. Last one. Yeah. Wonderful. Good. Drop your weights. Okay, so those ones are going over there. Just having a little shake, and then I'm grabbing my slightly lighter weights. So this one, I've got my hands are narrow. If I turn this way, you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So my hands are narrow, and I am bending from my elbows to bring the weights either side of my temples, and then back up. My upper arm stays still, and I'm bending, and I'm up, yeah? When you're ready, give it a go. Bending, and up. 2, 2. Down, down, up, up. 3 and 1. 3, 2, 1. Squeeze. Yeah, good. 4 more. Do, 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 do. Last one. No, last 2. Last one. I can count, I promise. And release. Drop those weights. Are we good? Yeah, we are. Quick standing up. I want to finish with a little bit of biceps, a little bit of shoulders. You ready? So we're going to come up, bicep curl, turn, shoulder press, in and down. Do, 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 do. Yes. Oh, so good, so strong. So close to the end. Oh, great stuff. Last one to finish off with. Last exercise to finish off with. We're going to come into lateral raises. So our weights are in. We come out to the side and down. A bit like pouring milk at the top. So we go. Yes, draw that belly in. I'm just looking for a couple more, come on. Last one. Good, drop those weights. Little shake, little twist. Your 10 minutes is done. Well done, see you next time.